Hey girl boss, in this video I'm going to show you how to add this pop-up form to your website on Shopify so that you can be collecting emails and doing all of your marketing inside of Shopify. Okay, so you want to download the Forms app on Shopify, and how you would do that is you would just click on apps and go to app settings, go to Shopify App Store and search for forms and just download. It'll say install right here. Like if you click on one, it'll say install, but I already have it installed. So you want to press install and then just install it. Once you install the app, it will look like this, and you want to click create form, and then it's going to be an inline form embed with code or a pop-up. I do pop-ups, and then just name it whatever you want to name it, and then create it. First thing I like to do is add an image. And now we're going to get into the settings. We're going to go to the top, and then it says floating and overlay. So it's either going to be on top, or I'm actually just going to show you. So save this and then go to turn form on, and then you have to go back to your online store, click on edit theme, and go to apps and make sure this is here, and you want to click this on so it could pop up. Also, this Shopify theme is available. The link will be in the description if you want to purchase this theme and have all of your pages for your athleisure brand already ready for you. So all you would need to do is just add your products, and your website will be 90% done. All you would need to do is customize the colors and add in your products and photos. So once you click that on, toggle that on, you want to go back here, and then now we can view it. So we're editing and viewing it. So for this overlay, let's try floating and save it to see how that looks. Okay, so that's how it looks. It'll be right here. Your preference, you can do it how you want. Me, I like it like this with just the overlay. And you can have this so it comes up like this, or you can have it to where this right here, this is a teaser. So it's not just blatant. It doesn't just pop up as soon as someone goes on your website. If you want that, then you can choose never, and then once they go on your website, it just comes up. If you want to have it to where the teaser is on, you can have it to the bottom right, center. You can pick the location. I like it to the right. So middle. Oh, and it shows you. That's good. So bottom right. Okay. And so it's right here. So once they come on your website, they're like, okay, don't miss out. It's not too bada bing, bada boom, but it's still there. And then we can look at it on the mobile view. And that's how it will look right here. Beautiful. Okay, so let's keep editing. We have that together. And now the form. Let's view the form so we can see. So we can change it and put in what we want. Okay, so you can add different fields if you want to do phone, last name, new fields, add it there. Okay, so perfect. Now we're gonna do the success form. Once they sign up, this is what they get. You can edit it here. And then I'm gonna go back to the form and we can change the colors. Absolutely not. Let's see the button. You can change that like that. I'm gonna keep it black. And that's that on that. Change the fonts like so. And that'll be that. We already have the image. So the behavior you can do if you want it on devices or just desktop and mobile. If you want it to only show up on a certain page, then you can do that here. So it'll only show up on the home page. Trigger first when somebody visits, first views the page, second page view, third page view. You can have it show up immediately or wait how many seconds you want. So once you're done setting up your pop-up form, you want to just go and make sure everything is set up by doing a test. So that is what I'm doing right here. And that is all for the video. If you have any questions, comment below and I will see you in the next video. Peace.